Hello guys, how are you? I think so you are all fine. Welcome to my channel Agriculture with Behraz. Here in this channel I will tell you about agriculture and its type advantages and disadvantages. If you are new at this channel, please subscribe my channel for best information and best videos. If you don't like my video, please like my video and comment in my video for your information and next video. So today our topic is agriculture and its type. So let's go to the topic. Here we put agriculture and its types. Now I tell you about agriculture. So what is agriculture and what are its types? First, what is the importance of agriculture? The importance of agriculture is that it allows humans to live in a permanent location without having to hunt and gather food. It is allowed collaboration to some into the existence and flourish and have made a great impact on economic growth for many countries. However, the corruption of agriculture has allowed pollution, pesticide, and genetically modified organisms to become introduced into the system, and the situation is now difficult to control. What are the types of agriculture? There are two different types of agriculture discussed in this lesson. These include industrialized agriculture and subsistence agriculture. Industrialized agriculture is farming for the purpose of mass production and economic growth, while subsistence agriculture is farmed to feed the family that work the farm. So, table of contents that in future we will discuss about what is agriculture, history of agriculture, industrialized agriculture, subsistence agriculture, lesson summary. Now we discuss about agriculture. So what is agriculture? The word agriculture come from rattle or origin the word agriculture separately. Agr agar mean field and culture mean growing or cultivation. According to Oxford languages, agriculture is the science or practice of farming, or the growing crops and raising livestock with the purpose of human use and consumption. Census James explained in his book The Cultural Landscape an introduction to human geography as the deliberate modification of Earth's surface through cultivation of plants and rearing animals to obtain subsistence or economics gain. So now we discuss about types of agriculture. There are two types of agriculture: industrialized and subsistence agriculture. There are categorized methods and purpose of cultivation. Industrialized agriculture is more targeted and large scale production of crops and animals for the purpose of scale and trade. Subsistence agriculture is the production of crops or livestock primarily provide for the farmer and the farmer's family, and often more technologically that more beneficial to the overall environment or land or water. So now we discuss about history of agriculture. Agriculture first began around 12,000 years ago and was considered a revolution in farming culture. Prior to its introduction, most food supplies were derived from hunting and gathering, which required a nomadic lifestyle to follow herd and natural wildlife. The practice of agriculture, however, allowed for people to settle down in just one area and grow to supply of food that will be more sustainable than indefinitely. Because of this, economic life began to flourish and populations sizes began to increase abundantly. Agriculture began with the vegetative planting. This process include cultivating stem and root to existing plant and replanting. Then, in order to regrowth and plants. Now we discuss about industrialized agriculture. Because the practice of agriculture has shown as an industry, its trade has become mass production. In order to meet the demand with supply, companies now uses large machines, pesticides and chemical fertilizers in order to meet healthy and safety standards while maintaining production levels. Now we discuss about subsistence agriculture. Subsistence agriculture is how agriculture first began. It is essentially traditionally agriculture. It is farming in order to live off of the land or water as a sole consumer and labor of the land and water. So now we discuss about types of subsistence agriculture. There are three main types of subsistence agriculture: intensive subsistence agriculture, shifting cultivation, and pastoral nomadism. Now, lesson summary. Agriculture is an act of farming or growing crops and raising livestock for human use and consumption. Industrialized agriculture. Our agriculture industry is farming for the purpose of mass production and economic growth. While subsistence agriculture or traditional agriculture is farming to feed the family that farm work the farm. The farmer utilizes large machines for efficient production, while the latter utilizes hand tools require a more labor intensive approach. Today our topic agriculture and in its type has completed. If you know about other agriculture purposes and types, put your comment in comment box. So next we made video for your information. So thank for your watching your video till end. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.